Hey guys, so sorry I haven't been uploading. I've been focusing on my gaming channel a lot. Link to that will be in the description. So today I'm going to show you how to fold this 16-point ninja star. Except the problem is, to hold it together it uses tape. And I have had some videos where I use tape in it, but I don't want to do that for this one. Now I did see that Jeremy Schaefer was able to remake it without tape, but I wanted to show my variation. So I created this. Now time to fold it. So for this you'll need 16 sheets of paper that are all square. So start by folding it in half. Unfold. Now we want to fold all the corners into the center. Notice how this edge is aligned with this crease. Okay, so now know where that diagonal line here is. So we want to fold this edge to that diagonal line here. And make sure when you do that, this doesn't slide over. Hold it in place and then fold. Alright, now do the same thing on the other side. Now, fold this back. Now, if you wanted to just make the first one, you could fold it in half and this is one unit, but we don't want to use tape. So unfold these, and now when you refold this, make sure this goes up. And do the same on the other side. Now, hold on these creases. The next step is hard to explain. So basically, pull this up here and make a crease that goes from here to here. Crease it sharply. Now do the same thing on the other side. So again, push this. Create a crease from those 2 points. Okay. So now, open here, and then there's this crease that you want to basically tear. And do the same thing on the other side. Now, basically, have the flaps open and fold this edge to this crease here. And then fold on that crease. And then we have a very small crease here. Fold on that so it's over this edge. And then do all that on the other side. And fold on this middle crease, and that's 1 unit. So you basically need 16 of these to create the model. Now let's assemble them. So I'm only going to do like 4 so that the video doesn't get so long. So how you want to assemble them is put these 2 points into this kind of pocket. And make sure it goes all the way in. And now, make sure this goes through this point here. And then there's a small pocket here. We want to fold that into that pocket. And do the same thing on the other side. And that basically locks this into place and basically creates a join without any tape. Okay, now let's do another one. And for me, the paper wants to undo itself. Make sure that doesn't happen. Okay, I'll do it with one more. Okay, so now that you basically get the idea on how to assemble the pieces, I'm gonna end the video there. Hopefully you enjoyed the video, thanks for watching, and hopefully I'll be uploading soon. Goodbye!